Introducing the iJOY Bluetooth over-ear headphones, your ultimate companion for a superior audio experience. Featuring an ergonomic over-ear design, these headphones envelop your ears in plush comfort, making them perfect for long listening sessions. Whether you're grooving to your favorite tunes, enthralled in the plot of a captivating film, or engaged in a hands-free call, the iJOY headphones promise to deliver crystal clear, powerful sound with their advanced audio technology. Wireless connectivity offers the freedom to move without being tethered to your device, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Integrated controls make switching tracks or adjusting the volume seamless, while their impressive battery life ensures your music keeps playing, no matter how long your day lasts. Embrace a world of sound like never before with iJOY Bluetooth over-ear headphones, where comfort meets exceptional sound quality in a perfectly balanced harmony.